Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make letter logos with just one click. It's going to be pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that you need access to GPT, ChatGPT, and I'm going to be using the application that I made, a custom GPT that I made called the Botanical Letter Logo Maker. You guys can go ahead and search it. You just write the word botanical letter. It's by autopilotpassiveincome.com, which is our YouTube channel, of course. And this is the tool, right? So the Botanical Letter Logo Maker. And if I select it here, obviously it's brand new. You guys haven't seen it. And if you look through here, these are some other, different applications that I made here before. But let's go ahead and hit Start Chat. And it's actually really simple. I've trained this GPT to create logos with pretty like flat based designs with plain colored backgrounds. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So if I'd say here, please make a letter L logo, pretty basic, nothing too crazy. I'll go ahead and hit enter, and of course it's going to basically give the only requirement that I have, that's a letter L logo. It's going to take it and make something of it. So let me go ahead and show you what it makes. Let's just give it a second here. It's completed, and there we go, a letter L logo. I like this style logo, and once again I trained it to make these style logos for two main reasons. The first reason is I like to have simple white colored backgrounds, or it doesn't even always have to be white, but at least some contrast with the actual logo so that it's easier to remove the background. So that's step one, removing the background. The second reason why I made the logos kind of like these is so that I can sell them pretty easily on stock photography sites. One of the stock photography sites is Adobe Stock. If you guys are familiar, Adobe Stock, I've spoken about this in our members area. Let's go to poddegree.com. Let me actually switch up the URL, but it's poddegree.com. You come here, this is the members area, HTTP, okay? Not HTTPS, HTTP. Takes you here, all right? This is the website, and we have a members area of all these lessons. And one of the lessons, the free lessons, that is this one right here, how I run a stock photography business, and I sell stock photography. I can sell these images. All it takes is I just take this image, download it, I upscale it, and upload it and tag it, and then it's done, right? And the tagging takes for me about maybe a total of a couple seconds, really, to tag. I use the stock bubbler tool currently, and I'll leave a link in the description to the stock bubbler tool, but I can write typography here as an example just of a keyword, and it will provide for me a list of tags that I really wouldn't normally come up with myself. So typography just means letters, type, you guys know what typography is. Fonts, design, lettering, calligraphy, typeface, graphic design, serif, sans serif, kerning, typographic, okay, different keywords. And so yeah, this tool kind of helped me with that, adding the tags and kind of completing that properly. So as you guys can see, it's pretty simple, pretty basic, but it's an easy way to create these logos. Let me show you how to create another logo. So for example, if I say, please create a letter P logo, right? I can do this as well. I'll hit generate. And once again, it's pretty simple, pretty easy to create these botanical style logos. If I want something different that's not botanical, I can, specify to it, obviously. I can tell it, create for me a different style logo. But these are nice because, once again, they're really simple, really easy to use. So I'm going to show you now how to remove the background off of one of these. So I'll just go ahead and hit download here, and I'll open up a tool called GIMP, and I'll take the image and I will upload it, to GIMP right here, okay? So this is GIMP, this is the background, and to remove the background, I will select this magic wand, just select here about the selection that I want, which is the color, right? This plain cream white colored, texture. I'll also select on this, section here, this here, this here, this here, right? Basically anything that's around the logo if I wanted to actually use this logo. And I'll go over here and make sure I have an alpha channel added, okay? And then I'll just select my eraser, all right? So just select my eraser, just like that. And I'll be able to erase everything that I need here that I kind of don't want, right? So there we go. I can erase this portion. Let's just say I want to select something like this and like this. I can go ahead and erase those as well. It just depends on how I want to personally set it up. And this could go well for a website. This can go well for any kind of brand or business. And you don't really have to pay anyone to create your own logos. And once again, you can sell them through stock photography. So it's not that difficult to create, like I said. And you know, if you're selling this for stock photography, you don't necessarily even have to edit the image. You could if you want to. It will definitely score you some brownie points with people who are looking for these kinds of logos, but you don't have to, right? It's not a requirement whatsoever. Sometimes when I like to remove just what's left, okay, I can select by color. So for example, if I go over here, right click, select by color, just select the actual color, and then I can erase by color, right? That's an example. Or I can go in and manually do it by selecting a different brush size. So I can select this rectangle brush size, right? And go over here, select none. Just kind of get rid of some of the, remnants of that image. And once again, I can, kind of get rid of these little extras by selecting by color. And that's one of the ways to get rid of the background. Another way to get rid of background is uploading this directly into Canva and removing the background. So let me show you how to do that real quick. All right, so I just uploaded the image here into Canva. And now what I could do is I can remove background. This is the second strategy. So the way to do this is you just simply upload the image, have it within Canva, select the edit photo image, BG remover, remove the background, and there you go. It's removed for you. So for those of you who don't have access to the background remover within Canva, you can use GIMP, okay? And that's, like I said, if you want to remove the background. If you're uploading this to stock photography sites like Adobe Stock, you don't necessarily have to remove the background. It's just a benefit. You absolutely do not have to. And by the way, this is like a little free tip. When it comes down to selling stock photography, I want to implement speed. Speed is the most important thing. So I generally, don't have an interest in removing backgrounds and things like that. I know some people do, and it's probably very profitable. But for me, I just like speed. I have certain benchmarks I want to hit mentally. Something that I've been telling you guys that I focus on, and I recommend everyone else do as well, is every account that you have for stock photography should not have anything less than 10,000 images, just so you can really feel, or assets really, so you can feel that power of the sales that you're literally should be making sales, many sales every single day, or downloads rather. But this is, like I said, how you can remove the background, and you can test different background colors, black, green, white, gray. You can see how effective it is. Another way to make money on this strategy is literally just offering a service on Fiverr. If we go to Fiverr.com right here, and I've ordered from Fiverr a few times, but if we go over here and type in letter logo, right, there are other people offering these letter logos. It's super easy for you guys to offer the same thing, maybe charge $5, $10, whatever price you want to pay, you want to get paid. And I recommend, go as low as possible in the beginning. Offer what you can, and, it'll be very easy to work with, in my opinion. Customer needs a basic logo. You get the money, you do the job, right? It's another side hustle you can start. And you don't have to fulfill orders all the time, especially as a beginner. You might take you a month or two to get your first order, right? But then it slowly, goes up, and just another source of income. So hopefully this video was beneficial to you guys. You guys now know how to perfectly create these logos. You know how to remove the background. You know how to do everything in between. So hopefully you guys go out there, make some money with this information. Hopefully it helps you out, and I'll talk to you guys later, all right? Thank you for watching. See you soon. Peace out. Bye.